Hi there, RJ here. So this video is about my final project for CS50x. So what I decided to build is a simple YouTube playlist downloader. So I use Python GUI called Custom Kinter, and I use PyTube library to download from YouTube. So it looks like this. It's a simple downloader. So what we have to do is just go to YouTube. I have open link here. And just go to a random playlist. Let's try this one from CTLite. Let's copy the link of this playlist and paste it here. Now we have these choices either to download video or audio. And if we try to do this, it doesn't work because single videos has different link syntax. So you must go to a single video, copy the link if you just want to download single video. It's obvious, but that's that. So let's try to download this. First, we must select a path. Yeah, this is good. Let's create new folder here. Select that and let's try to download video. Let's check our folder. And here it is. And as you can see, your progress is being monitored here in our progress bar. And a text box is displaying all your downloads. And here it is, our downloads in MP4 1080p. There, this is the highest resolution we can get by PyTube. And let's try once again to download in audio form. Now it's being saved in MP3. And we have a clear button here to clear our text box. And simply the cancel button is to cancel. Right there, canceling all downloads. So essentially that's it. It's a simple downloader and I hope it passes my final project. Thanks guys. Thanks Sir David. Thanks Harvard.